Create a solid adjustment color layer, and this is the color code. Now take Type tool and type your text. Hold Ctrl or press T to open Free Transform. I am using this font, link in description. Open your image and place it to top. Create one more copy. Hold Alt and click to clipping mask. Decrease opacity. Follow this process. Again, increase opacity. Go to Select, Subject, Mask. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Again, right-click and rasterize layer. Now take Eraser tool. Hardness 100%. Now remove the unnecessary area. Select text layer and go to blending option. Stroke, follow this settings. Now, create a new layer in this position. Take Brush tool and create a soft round brush. Follow this process. This is the final result. Thanks for watching.